YouTube. You already know what it is and who it is, man. Your boy Freeway Rod. As you can see, man, my current situation, man. I'm in this goddamn snow, man. And I think they about to shut it down, man. Everybody moving slow. It's the type of shit you gotta go through out here, man. Rain, sleet, or snow, man. You gotta still get your dough, man. Grapevine, man. I think I'm gonna have to go on and pull it over, man. Hope y'all having a lovely day today, though, man. You know, when you get out here, man, it's the type of shit you're gonna have to go through, man. You know what I'm saying? So just get ready for it, man. Get ready for it, man. You know, hopefully you working for a company, man, that they'll tell you when it's snow or weather conditions, just go ahead and pull it over. You know, that's kind of what my company tell us. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out of here. Traction is real bad, man. Everybody moving slow. Yeah, man, you know, this is the trucking life, man. This is what this shit is, man. Rain, sleet, and snow, man. You gotta get your dough, man. See the police coming through? Yeah, they about to shut it down, man. And I think it's a Flying J up here, if I ain't mistaken, man. And I just started my day. I'm gonna be stuck here for about a day or so. That's why it's always good, man, to have you a truck, man, with a microwave, refrigerator, a TV, a refrigerator. I got all that in my truck. I even got a game system, so just for shit like this, canned food, soups, plenty of water and shit like that, man, because you just never know what you're gonna run into out here, man. You know what I'm saying? So everybody going in one lane, man. So I think that means we're gonna shut it down, which is a good thing, man, because you know it ain't worth it, man. The load ain't worth it, you know. You getting out here wrecking, flipping this truck, you know, losing your life over it, man. So you know, I done already seen about 3 cars wrecking to the divider too. This shit is beautiful though, man. Mother Nature, man. This shit is beautiful, man. There's a lot of people in this world that ain't even never seen snow, man. You know, this trucking shit gonna take you there. You know? And I get downtime pay too, man. So, you know, I'm gonna be alright. Y'all doing good today, man. Yes, sir. Look at that shit. This shit is shit everywhere. And then you don't want to follow too close behind. I'm trying to give this dude some space because, you know, he can slide backwards. You know, that's why you always want to leave some space too, man. You always want to leave some space, man. You know, and one thing about this snow, if you ain't got your chains on, when you stop, man, it's hard for you to go. It's hard to catch your traction gonna be off. You know, so you always want to be going slow and never come to a standstill in this snow. Oh, there we go, right there. Look at it. There we go. There's 2 of them coming. They coming to clean some shit up, huh? What you might want to do Swift. You know I'm gonna look out for you, baby. If nobody got you, baby, I got you, Swift. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. So what I'm gonna have to do is when I get down this grapevine, I'm gonna have to take a whole different route, man, to come back up. I can't even take this back up. Yeah, man, but you know I'm gonna get on out of here, man, and finish my day off, man. You know, you already know what it is and who it is. One more time, one more again, man. Your boy Freeway Rod, man.